This is the Amazon Fire TV Stick. It's easily one of the most popular streaming devices on the market. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've also used a lot of the top competitors as well. There are some interesting things I found out that actually could make this product perfect for some people. Inside the box, there's the Fire TV Stick itself, the Alexa voice remote, a USB cable, a power adapter, an HDMI extender, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick start guide. To set up the Fire Stick TV, just plug it into the HDMI port on your TV and plug the power adapter into an outlet. Use the USB cable to connect the power adapter and your Fire TV Stick. After that, insert the batteries into the Alexa voice remote, turn your TV on, and switch it to the correct HDMI input source. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to your Wi-Fi and logged into your Amazon account, you're good to go. The main menu on the Fire TV Stick is fairly simple and intuitive. This is where you can access the content that you want to stream. There are lots of categories to choose from, including live, your videos, music, TV shows, and apps. Or you can use the search function to the left and search for specific things here. There is tons of great free content out there, including movies, TV, and sports, that you can find and easily access with your Fire TV Stick. Subscription services that you use like Amazon Music, Spotify, Netflix can be accessed here too, so all your content is accessible in one spot. For when there is more than one person using the TV, the Fire TV Stick has personalization using profiles with recommendations, viewing history, and watch lists for each person in your household. The remote has a dedicated button for Alexa voice control right at the top, so you can just press and hold that button to ask Alexa to find shows, control playback, and even manage smart home devices. This voice control feature is super convenient to use. You've also got the standard remote controls including volume control, mute, fast forward, and more. The streaming quality is great. It supports various HDR formats including HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, so you get terrific picture quality. Plus, it supports Dolby Atmos sound on some titles like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and others, so the sound is awesome when it's connected to compatible soundbars and home audio systems. One of the major highlights of the Fire TV Stick is the deep integration of Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant. Not only can you control your TV with voice commands, but you can also use it to get news updates, check the weather, or even control other smart home devices like your lights and thermostat. The Fire TV Stick makes it easy for Prime members to add from over 100 channels like Discovery+, Showtime, Stars, Paramount+, AMC+, Cinemax, and more with no extra apps to download and no cable required. It's very responsive with fast load times and smooth navigation, so there's no buffering interrupting your watching time. It's also extremely portable. Just unplug it from the TV, throw it in a bag, and take it along when you're going to a friend's house or even on vacation. All you need is an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi access. And it offers features like screen mirroring for Android and iOS devices, so you can project your phone or tablet screen onto your TV. The Amazon Fire TV Stick is a fantastic piece of tech to access all types of streaming content. It has an easy-to-use menu, and it enables access to lots of free content along with your preferred subscription services for movies, TV, music, gaming, and more. It can be controlled by voice through the Alexa remote or using standard remote controls, and it supports high picture and sound quality to give really immersive viewing. It's portable to take with you and can provide personal profiles to manage viewer preferences. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.